Hi, welcome to day of exploring Queensland and taking you with me. Today we'll be exploring. I have a feeling it's going to be a good one. Waterfalls this morning. It's about 6:30 and we had about 9.5 hours sleep last night, which was so needed. Now we're kind of feeling that tiredness from like a lot of sleep, especially because that's the most we've had in ages, but we're gonna feel so much better for it today, 100%. But now we're gonna see our first waterfall of the trip. We're gonna see a couple more along this trip, but yeah, it's actually a pretty chill morning this morning. 1K walk, yeah, 1K walk to this waterfall, then get the drone up, do some cool stuff.
If it's not raining.
If it's not raining. Oh my goodness.
Oh shit.
This does not do it justice at all. We are now on our way to our caravan site. There's no particular check-in time today, so it's almost 9 a.m. and we're going to go there now because we don't have to be at the sailing event until 1 or 2-ish, I think. Barrow Falls was unfortunately a bit of a bust. It was a beautiful waterfall and it was incredible to see, and just how like massive it is, and the little trickles and where they come from, and learn about the history of it. The history is really incredible, especially the train line there as well. But unfortunately the weather just wasn't in our favour today. We couldn't get the drone up and clouds kept coming through, so we couldn't get lots of clear shots at the waterfall. But we did our best and it was great to go see it, and I'm keen to have breakfast. We have arrived. Hello, so we are currently at Lake Tinaroo, about to film a sailing competition, which is really cool. We'll be conducting interviews with one of the competitors and her mum, and maybe a couple of other people afterwards. To catch you up to what you missed after my last clip, Louie and I were just shattered. It was our first opportunity to like just chill out, so Louie read, I had a bit of a nap, and yeah, we just chilled out, and then I filmed a van tour and then made lunch, and then we came here. So it's 1 p.m. now. Yeah, it was just, we were both exhausted. I've had an ongoing headache for a few days, so just needed to like chill out for a second, and it definitely has helped, which is good. But yeah, now we're gonna watch a sailing event, which is really cool. So now we are out overlooking the Atherton Tablelands, and it's very cold. But we're just gonna get a sunset shot while we have 10 minutes of sunlight because the clouds keep rolling over and dropping so much rain. But I guess that's why everything around me is so nice and green. And Louis on the drone. Oh, it's so cool.